So I got my Sky Fireworks. I got this
Sky Fire.
So I got this one, which is a star one, and I got this two of
Go on then, let's set them off and see what they look like.
four.
Whoa. Sky Firebox. FUJI. Gonna pop it into that pumpkin, see what happens. Stand there. Right, stand there, Eliza. Closer. Right then. Here we go. FUJI Firework. It's not gonna bang. Bloody hell.
How are you gonna run?
Pumpkin firework.
Is it finished?
Yeah, do you watch it? Why did you run so far away? That was the FUJI Firework from Squid Games production. Was that awesome?
Yay!
I'm on my day off. This is what Squid Game do on their day off. Still keep the mask on though. Was it scary?
No.
What was wrong with it?
It was scary. It was like... and if I was still standing here, I was still going to me.
So that was the FUJI Firework. So you let another one off?
Yeah.
I should do it at the front. You do them at the front. Another fountain in the banana plant.
Look at this.
Oh,
Should we do it?
that's a rocket. That's a shot tube. Shot Roman candle. No, we'll leave that. That's too powerful. We'll do another one of those triangles. See?
I got another triangle. That was a FUJI Firework.
Yes, it's a fountain, most of fountains.